Hello everyone. So this is our K-12 kit and today we are going to work on the project segment animation. Now let's see how it's done. First, we will connect the power to the slide switch, then the slide switch to the segment that will come under our animation. For example, if we want to display this and this segment, we will take A, B and C. Now, for the next switch, we will make the same connections, that is connecting it to the power, then to B. Again, power to the next slide switch, and then slide switch to C. And at the end, negative to the ground. Now, let's check the display by switching the switch by turning the switches on one by one. Let's see. Now let's see again. And this is how it's done.